the rain is playing with us today. It is one kind of rahmat from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make everything fresh and to make the environment lively. Okay, so I think we should say Alhamdulillah for this environment. Okay, so Habibullah, now this is your turn. Akram Hussain, sorry. Akram is two here. One is he and another one his name. Shirazganj and Dhaka. Okay, so this is turn for Habibullah Akram Hussain, and he's going to deliver his speech on the particular topic, and that is introduce yourself. So are you feeling confident now?
Inshallah.
Are you sure?
Inshallah.
Okay, let's get started.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Good evening, dear audience.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine. What about you?
My name is Akram Hussain. Basically, I'm from Dhaka, a place known for its beauty and cultural heritage. I currently live in Dhaka city, which is a vibrant and developing city. I'm a student at Abduha Institute, where I'm currently studying in Department of Dawah and Comparative Religion. I have completed my takmil from Jamilul Madrasa Mirpur 14, where I did well in my studies and participated in extracurricular activities. I consider myself a positive thinker, hardworking, responsible and disciplined individual who believes in continuous learning and personal growth. My hobbies include reading books, especially novels and history, reciting the Holy Quran, reading short stories and poems. Dear audience, there are 5 members in my family, including me. I have a strong desire to achieve something meaningful in life. My hobbies is to become a da'i, so I can contribute positively to society and make my parents proud. That's all about me. Thank you all for listening patiently.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Okay, good one from him as well. Thank you for your brilliant performance. I think you are getting improvement a lot, and hope you will do best and better in upcoming classes, inshallah. Okay, with another topic. After this session, I will give you another topic for taking preparation for the next class. Okay, inshallah. He said takmil. Is it takmil or takmil? What? So he tried to just give a stress on the letter T, takmil. You can just take the realistic one. When you deliver something from another language like Arabic, so definitely try to deliver with appropriate pronunciation from that language, okay? If it is takmil, so you can use the actual pronunciation like takmil, not takmil, takbir, okay? It's not okay. It's fine that we are trying to pronounce each and every word like a native speaker. So I think you will understand gradually where you will release, where will you take and give the stress, intonation and all regarding phonetics or something like that. Okay, so there was really good and brilliant performance from all of you today. Hope you will do better in upcoming classes, inshallah. So that's for our today. So is anyone interested to take part in our session today? Okay.